Hey, so how to import data from eBay to Xero. In this video, I'm going to share a really cool app with you called Link My Books that helps you do just that. So in the description of the video, you're going to find a special link that gives you a free trial of Link My Books plus free onboarding so you understand exactly how to use the app and a special coupon code that helps you save 50% off for 3 whole months with Link My Books. So Link My Books can help you with eBay integration. Sync eBay payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, breaking down every sale, refund, fee, and tax with precision. So basically, Link My Books is accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. So save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So Link My Books works with eBay, as I've mentioned previously, but also with Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok Shop, Square, and even WooCommerce. So you can use Link My Books with all those platforms for accurate e-commerce accounting. Now, the tool Link My Books can be used by sellers, e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers that kind of manage e-commerce sellers. So if you're an e-commerce seller, again, in the description, we have the free trial of Link My Books with free onboarding and the best coupon code, and also a video that shows you how to use the tool. It's a 30-minute video tutorial with the founder, Daniel Little, and myself, Bob Evan. Great to meet you, Amazon seller. And in this video, we show you how to use Link My Books, how it connects, and all the process of working with this tool. So after watching this video, hopefully you'll understand how it works and you'll be able to use it. Of course, you also have the free onboarding, which is another kind of step for you to master it, like mastering my books and make the most out of it. Now, if you're an accountant or bookkeeper, you can also use Link My Books to manage clients that are e-commerce sellers. So for that, if you're such a person, we have created another video with Daniel Little, co-founder of Link My Books, where we show you how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. All those videos are in the description. So this one is a 41-minute tutorial that shows you how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. We cover the pricing of the tool. Also, we cover the pricing for e-commerce sellers in the previous video, and we talk about different frequently asked questions that arise. Yeah, basically check out the videos in the description. Again, you can click also in the description to get a free trial of Link My Books with free onboarding. Also a special coupon code, 50% off for 3 whole months. Also on the screen now, you're going to see 2 videos appearing. The first one is how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers. The second one is how to use Link My Books for accountants and bookkeepers. So click them, and in this way, you'll be able to import data from eBay to Xero or other platforms like Amazon, Shopify, etc. to Xero or the QuickBooks. So check it all out. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.